right? So the whole thing is, most companies don't do this, but if any person in your operation leaves, who's the natural replacement?
Oh, right.
Now, if you don't know that, you might have a problem someday, right?
Right.
Particularly when it comes to management. So if you have any managers in your company, they should generally be fostering the next them, which means if they don't show up, if they're on holiday, someone should be attending their meetings in their place.
Right. So it's actually, I only figured out half of it. Half of it is that everybody delegates to the people below them, so that if that person isn't there for a while, the people can continue to function. But also, each person is training somebody to be able to replace them amongst the people they're delegating, except for the boss.
See, here's the thing. No, including the boss. So here's the thing. Most people are afraid of having anyone know all the stuff they do, because then they could just get fired. But here's the thing. What happens is the time you get promoted is when someone knows everything you do. That's when you get promoted. Because if removing you from a team means the team stop working, that means you're not promotable. You're only promotable the second you can get promoted and the team keeps running at least at the same or maybe even better. So the easiest way, I mean, I've done it a bunch of times.